My name is Professor Olga Kupika. I'm from Chinao University of Technology in Zimbabwe. My research mainly focuses on assessing the impacts of climate change on riparian-based ecosystems and livelihoods in semi-arid parts of Zimbabwe. I benefited a lot during my participation during the General Assembly as an early career researcher. Building collaboration during scientific conferences is key in terms of driving the agenda for scientific research in Africa. Africa as a region has got multiple challenges which require collaborative solutions, partnerships and innovative solutions which can help achieve the Sustainable Development Goals initiatives with particular focus on addressing challenges in Africa. So we need to build the Africa we want in Africa and for Africa.
It's very important. That's the starting point. Once you agree on the methodology and the results come, you cannot reject the results. And that will be another plus. So with that then, if we get the kind of results we are expecting to get, we will be able to convince the politicians that it's not necessary to be threatening each other. There should be no friction, there should be no tensions. The problem is not a problem. That's what science has said. And I believe strongly that they will accept it. Actually, what we want to do is to involve all of these people, all these academics, NASAC and the AAS. We will convene a meeting of scientists from Egypt, from Sudan, and from Ethiopia. And let them come and make presentations on the multiple benefits of the Nile River water to their national economies and the livelihoods of people.
My name is Michael Oluwatosin Bodurin. I've got a PhD in Metallurgical Materials Engineering. My research is focused on developing cheaper and less toxic titanium alloys for biomedical implants. So by 2050, there will be more older adults living in developing countries. And we know all African countries are classified as developing countries. So we need cheaper and affordable implants to manage potential bone diseases that they would have in future, especially if they have to go through hip replacement or knee replacement.
My name is Dr. Peguti Boateng. I'm the Executive Director for the African Academy of Sciences. I see a great future for the African Academy of Sciences because it is a time to make ourselves even more relevant than ever before. And from the partners, collaboration, and the work that we do, I see a great future for the African Academy of Sciences to be the voice of the scientists on this continent so that we can push ahead the Africa we want agenda for people, for planet, and for prosperity.
We are the Afro-champions, so that they can be able to build their continent. We are becoming beggars. Every time a grant comes, it goes. Another one comes. What about Africa? Don't we have money in Africa that we can be able to fund these researchers? So tomorrow we will be listening to the grantees who have been funded by Africans. Thank you.